This is Mrs. Lopez from CORE, and we're going to look at how you can check your work and make sure that you're doing what you need to be doing in Google Classroom. So I'm in right now as a fake student, and as this fake student, I can say, okay, well, let's view my work and see what I have left. Now, this student has a lot of missing things. They're also assigned to a number of classes because they are a shared fake student. But right here, okay, so this one says turned in. I can see that there's an attachment and there's also a comment from the teacher. So I'm going to open this up and take a look, and this comment from the teacher says you turned in this work but it isn't done. I created a video to help you learn and complete this work. So if I then go and look at my work, okay, so this is what the teacher provided, and right now it's view only because I turned it in. But then if I go here, I can see I did not do, this fake student did not do the work. So if we go back and we look at this and we go to view details, we can then unsubmit the work. And when we unsubmit it, if I were to go ahead, I'll close this one. If I go into it now, it would now let me actually fix my mistakes and go ahead and follow the teacher's advice. So let's look at something else. Besides this work, which clearly the fake student didn't do, fake or real, there's other things that are missing. There's things that are assigned, but the due date isn't yet. But right here, anything that has an attachment, you need to make sure that that attachment is attached with work that's done. So this is a list of work, and you can see things that have been returned, missing, or assigned so that you could narrow down exactly what you are looking at. And it will, if it says something like done late, that means that the teacher gave a due date, and when you submitted it, it was after that due date. And then it's up to the teacher whether that is something. It might just be that just gives the teacher information and does not mean a loss of points so much as maybe they returned it to you. And then when you turn it in again, then it was late. So please make sure when you're doing your work that you're not just clicking turn in. So actually, do you know what? Let's go into something that hasn't been turned in. Let's go right here. This work is missing. So I'm going to go view the details. So there's work here, and I know that this fake student didn't do it. When I go to turn in, it tells me, look, there's two things that are here. It's giving you a checkpoint and saying, did you really do those two things before you turn this in? And if you didn't, then you should say, oh, nope, I shouldn't turn that in. But if you did, then you click turn it in, and then you go ahead and turn in that work so the teacher knows that you're done.